DJ Yesong appeals 10-year sentence for fatal drunk driving accident, a critical analysis. The case of DJ Yesong, 24, Ahn Ye Song, who has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for causing a fatal accident while driving drunk in Gangnam, Seoul, has attracted significant attention. This analysis will delve into the critical details of the case, the court's rationale, the defense's arguments, and the broader societal implications of drunk driving, offering a comprehensive and critical examination of the incident and its aftermath. On February 3, at approximately 4:40 a.m., Ahn Ye Song, known professionally as DJ Yesong, was driving under the influence with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.221%. She collided with a motorcycle, leading to the death of a 50-year-old delivery man. The victim, suffering from cardiac arrest, was rushed to the hospital but did not survive. Shortly before this fatal accident, Ahn had caused another traffic accident and fled the scene. She was arrested at the scene of the fatal accident, and a detention warrant was issued due to the risk of flight. On July 9, the Seoul Central District Court's 25th Criminal Division, presided over by Judge Kim Ji-young, sentenced Ahn Ye Song to 10 years in prison. The court's decision was based on several critical observations. 1. Lack of immediate responsibility. The court noted that after the first accident, Ahn Ye Song exited her vehicle and asked the victim to overlook her drunken state, displaying no effort to manage the accident or report it to the police. 2. Flight from the scene. Despite the legal obligation to stay at the scene and take protective measures, Ahn left without explanation, indicating an intent to escape. 3. Denial and memory claims. Although Ahn claimed to have no memory of the incident, dashcam footage contradicted her statements, showing her conversing with the victim. The court found her excuses implausible and questioned her remorse. 4. Fatal consequences. The victim of the second accident passed away, and while the bereaved family agreed not to pursue punishment, the court emphasized that the victim could not voice his wishes. Ahn's lawyer, Ahn Ye Song from the law firm Dongsunam, submitted an appeal on July 10. The defense argued for leniency based on several points. 1. Settlement with the bereaved family. The defense highlighted that they had reached a settlement with the victim's family, suggesting this as a mitigating factor. 2. Talent and national prestige. Ahn's lawyer emphasized her extraordinary talent in the entertainment industry and her role in promoting national prestige through performances in China, Thailand, and Taiwan. 3. Reflection and apology. The defense claimed that Ahn had deeply reflected on her actions and submitted 75 letters of apology, pleading for a reduced sentence. In contrast, the prosecution requested a 15-year prison sentence, arguing 1. Severity of offenses. The prosecution underscored that Ahn caused 2 traffic accidents while heavily intoxicated, resulting in a fatality. 2. Need for severe punishment. They stressed the necessity of severe punishment to protect society and families from the dangers of drunk driving. Ahn Ye Song's blood alcohol concentration of 0.221% is significantly above the legal limit, indicating a high level of intoxication. The court's observations paint a picture of a defendant who, despite being heavily intoxicated, was aware enough to converse with the victim and attempt to evade responsibility. This raises critical questions about personal accountability and the dangers posed by drunk driving. The court's decision to impose a 10-year sentence reflects a serious approach to drunk driving offenses, emphasizing the need for accountability and deterrence. However, the defense's appeal introduces a complex ethical dimension. While the settlement with the victim's family and Ahn's professional contributions are notable, they must be weighed against the severity of her actions and the irreversible loss suffered by the victim's family. Drunk driving remains a pervasive issue with devastating consequences. This case underscores the importance of stringent legal measures and public awareness campaigns to combat drunk driving. The prosecution's call for severe punishment highlights the need for a robust legal framework to deter such behavior and protect public safety. Ahn Ye Song's submission of 75 letters of apology and her lawyer's claims of deep reflection warrant consideration. Genuine remorse and a willingness to rehabilitate can be significant factors in sentencing. However, the court's skepticism about her memory claims and the plausibility of her excuses suggest that more concrete evidence of remorse and rehabilitation is needed. The case of DJ Yesong's appeal against her 10-year sentence for causing a fatal drunk driving accident is a multifaceted and complex issue. It brings to the forefront critical questions about personal responsibility, legal accountability, and the broader societal impact of drunk driving. While the defense's arguments for leniency based on professional achievements and remorse are noteworthy, they must be carefully balanced against the severity of the offenses and the need for justice for the victim's family. As society grapples with the dangers of drunk driving, this case serves as a stark reminder of the catastrophic consequences of such behavior. It underscores the importance of stringent legal measures, public awareness, and the need for genuine remorse and rehabilitation in addressing and preventing drunk driving incidents.